Early retirement is a dream that's capturing more attention than ever before, with movements like FIRE, financial independence, retire early, gaining momentum. But there's one critical aspect that many aspiring early retirees overlook: healthcare coverage planning. This oversight can derail even the most carefully crafted early retirement strategy and turn your dream into a financial nightmare. Let's dive into why healthcare planning is the make-or-break factor in early retirement success. Most people build their retirement plans around investment returns, savings rates, and lifestyle costs. They calculate their target nest egg, determine their safe withdrawal rate, and project their living expenses. But here's the kicker. Healthcare costs before Medicare eligibility can easily exceed $20,000 per year for a couple, and that's assuming you're healthy. Think about this. If you retire at 45 or 50, you're looking at 15 to 20 years of covering your own healthcare costs before Medicare kicks in at age 65. That's a significant gap that needs careful planning and substantial financial resources. It's like planning a cross-country road trip, but only accounting for half the distance. You're bound to run into trouble. The most common mistake early retirement planners make is underestimating both the cost and complexity of obtaining health insurance. Employer-sponsored health insurance often masks the true cost of healthcare coverage. When you're responsible for the full premium plus out-of-pocket costs, the numbers can be shocking. We're talking about potential annual costs that could rival a mortgage payment. Let's break down your options for healthcare coverage in early retirement. The Affordable Care Act (ACA) marketplace is often the go-to solution, but it requires careful income planning. Too much income from investments or retirement account withdrawals could disqualify you from premium subsidies, potentially adding thousands to your annual healthcare costs. It's like walking a tightrope. You need to balance having enough income to live on while keeping it low enough to maintain subsidy eligibility. Health savings accounts, HSAs, can be a powerful tool for early retirees, but you need to start building them well before retirement. These accounts offer triple tax advantages: tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. Think of an HSA as a secret weapon in your early retirement arsenal. But like any weapon, it's only effective if you've prepared it in advance. Consider the impact of health conditions that develop before Medicare eligibility. Without proper insurance coverage, a single serious health issue could devastate your retirement savings. This is why many early retirees maintain some form of catastrophic coverage, even if they're comfortable self-insuring routine medical expenses. It's like having a backup parachute. You hope you never need it, but you'll be grateful it's there if you do. Geographic location plays a crucial role in healthcare planning for early retirement. Insurance premiums and healthcare costs can vary dramatically between states and even counties. Some early retirees choose their retirement location based partly on healthcare costs and availability. It's like choosing where to build your house. The same structure might cost twice as much in one location versus another. International options are worth considering. Some early retirees explore medical tourism or even relocating to countries with more affordable healthcare systems. While this isn't for everyone, understanding these options can provide flexibility in your healthcare planning. Think of it as having a plan B that could potentially save thousands in healthcare costs. Don't forget about dental and vision care. These essential services often get overlooked in retirement planning, but can represent significant expenses. Medicare doesn't cover most dental and vision care, so you'll need to plan for these costs throughout your retirement years. It's like maintaining a car. Regular maintenance prevents bigger problems down the road. Creating a healthcare emergency fund separate from your regular emergency fund is crucial. This dedicated healthcare fund should cover potential out-of-pocket maximums and unexpected medical expenses. Think of it as self-insurance for those inevitable health-related surprises that come with aging. Consider the impact of lifestyle choices on your healthcare costs. Maintaining good health through diet, exercise, and preventive care can significantly reduce your healthcare expenses over time. It's an investment in your future that pays dividends through lower insurance premiums and fewer medical bills. Flexibility in your retirement plan is essential. Your healthcare needs and costs will likely change over time, and your plan needs to accommodate these changes. This might mean maintaining some capacity for part-time work or having investments that could be liquidated if necessary. Think of it as building flexibility into your retirement blueprint. Understanding the timing of various healthcare options is crucial. COBRA coverage might bridge a short gap, but it's typically expensive and temporary. ACA plans require careful timing for enrollment periods. Medicare has its own enrollment windows and penalties for missing them. It's like choreographing a dance. Each move needs to be timed perfectly. The role of long-term care insurance should be considered early in your planning process. While you might not need it immediately upon early retirement, planning for these costs when you're younger and healthier can make the coverage more affordable. It's like buying an umbrella before the storm, much easier than trying to find one when it's already raining. Your retirement income strategy needs to account for healthcare inflation, which typically outpaces general inflation. This means your healthcare costs might double or triple over a 20 to 30-year retirement period. Building this escalation into your financial plans is crucial for long-term success. Regular review and adjustment of your healthcare strategy is essential. Insurance markets change, new options become available, and your health needs evolve. Think of it as maintaining a living document that grows and changes with you through your retirement years. The key to successful early retirement isn't just reaching a certain net worth. It's having a comprehensive plan that accounts for all major expenses, with healthcare being at the top of that list. Without proper healthcare planning, even a seemingly substantial retirement nest egg can quickly become inadequate. Remember, the goal isn't just to retire early. It's to retire early with confidence and security. By properly addressing healthcare planning in your early retirement strategy, you're protecting your dream of financial independence from one of its biggest potential threats. Take the time to develop a thorough healthcare plan, and you'll be much better positioned for a successful early retirement.